mother's birthday, and I've never been able to get her anything special just because of like financial issues. Since I've been doing really good in content creating now, I actually have the opportunity to do something very special for her. And what I've decided to do is have her 49th birthday, her 20th anniversary of her 29th birthday, here at our home, and the theme of it's going to be spa getaway. I'm really excited because we're not going anywhere, but it's going to be more of like a staycation vibe. We're going to invite my cousins, my aunts, and we're just going to celebrate her. So here are some references of how I want it to look and how I would like for it to turn out. Raven Elise inspired me to start filming this process. I don't know if you've seen her videos. If you haven't, check her out. I'll have her linked below. She films all her parties, and she films all the processes she does for her parties. She does birthdays, she does Valentine's Day parties, she does Christmas parties, she does Easter parties. I think right now at the moment I'm filming, she's doing a garden party. I'm pretty sure she's already completed it because she has posted videos. But anyways, I want to try and do that as well, but more on the budget friendly side because she is more of a well-known influencer. I'm just starting out with 20,000 followers on TikTok, and let's not talk about my Instagram because I only have like 1,000 followers on there and 5,000 on Facebook. So anyways, and if you're here on YouTube, you can see my subscriber count is low, but I'm still gonna try and do this because why not? And also it's gonna be such a special moment, so I do want to document it for her and for me and for my family that's gonna be there. I love peach slices, y'all. Their skincare, 10 out of 10. So just like Raven Elise would do in some of her videos, I went and reached out to a few brands to see if they wanted to collaborate and provide things that we needed for the party. So far, I've reached out to a brand that's willing to send us some outdoor furniture because I want to redo the outside patio. We do live in a townhome. It's nothing extravagant, nothing too special, but I do want to try and make it really cute so we can have brunch outside on that Saturday of her birthday celebration. And that brand has gotten back in contact with me, and we're now talking about, why won't this come out? We are now talking about furnitures that they're willing to supply for the party. This is this is the style that I want the outside to kind of resemble. I know a lot of it I won't be able to get free. Well, let's speak life to it. I believe that God will provide everything that we need for this party at no expense to me or my family, and everything will run smoothly. So I've been really encouraged because reaching out like this is really difficult because technically it's cold calling, and I did not expect to hear back from anybody on the first day, but I heard back from 2 brands on the first day. So that's really big for me. That's really good news. And if you want the email template that I used, you can put like put the mail emoji in the comment section and I'll DM it to you. So we also are in need of bar stools for the countertop in our townhome. Our table only seats 4 and we're gonna have 7 people here, so the more seating the better. So I did reach out to brands in regards of that, so hopefully they'll reach back out as well. I just love this Bean Essence by Mixsoon, y'all. It's so good. My mom is super excited about this. Yes, she's aware of it because one day I was talking to her in her room and I feel like the Holy Spirit dropped this idea into my brain, I guess, dropped this idea into my spirit, and I discussed it with her and she got really excited. So honestly, we have no choice but to pull this off, and obviously I want to do it for her because I love her. So I'm very excited to see the finished product. I can't wait. I'm so proud already because, like I said, cold emailing these brands, oh, it's a bit much. This is my first time really doing that. Now, there's this brand called Peach Slices. I've been using their skincare. I really love their skincare, and I wanted to try to get that skincare for the spa day portion. I need 7 of each item, and I was trying to get their Snail Rescue Blemish Bursting Toner, their Snail Rescue Intensive Wash Off Jelly Mask, and their Snail Rescue All-in-One Oil-Free Moisturizer. I was trying to get a hold of those for like goodies for the women that will be here, and also that's what they'll be using during the spa portion. Like I'll provide all the utensils, the mirrors, and stuff that they would need, but the products, I really want to get those, but I can't figure out how to get in contact with them. So it's looking like right now the Sephora sale is going on, so I'm getting contact. No, I'm not gonna get in contact. I can't do that, but the Sephora sale is going on, so I went and filled my basket up with Sephora collection skincare. Sephora's collection is really good, and their skincare is as well. Right now the Sephora collection is 30% off, and I have my Rogue members discount. you know, Sephora Beauty Insider. So I'm getting a good bit of money off. I believe the total for everything is $400, but I'm paying $200 and something. So if I can't get in contact with Peach Slices, I'll go ahead and check out with Sephora and have that as their little party favor. Now from Amazon, I'm getting mini fans for like drying down your toners and whatnot. I have bowls that you can fill up with water to do your face wash. I have face mats, these pink really cute face mats, these and then I have these facial like hair bow headbands that you put on so your lace or your edges don't get wet. What else I have? I'm not looking at my cart right now. I'm just doing this off the top of my head. I think I have mirrors. Yeah, I have like freestanding mirrors. They're pink. The colors are pink, white, and gold. And then I have these sauce little bowls. They're like gold stainless steel, but I'm gonna use those to contain like things that I'm not providing, like things that they can't take home. Say I have a mask or something I want them to try, I can just like squirt it in that little bowl so everything can be sanitary. I can't remember. I think that's all, but if there's anything that I'm missing that I'm buying from Amazon, I'll just put on the screen. And everything that you see in this video will be linked on my storefront. Amazon wise, I don't know about the Sephora stuff, but check the link in the bio for my storefront and you can purchase these things if you see that you like them or whatever. So pretty much that's everything that we have going on for the party right now. We are still in the early stages. Currently it is April the 11th, and her party is going to be her party is going to be May the 17th and the 18th. So we have a little bit of time. I'm trying to get the ball rolling because I just came up with this like 2 days ago. So I'm believing in God that everything's gonna be great, and I can't wait to talk next steps with you guys. See you in the next clip. Hopefully we'll have some really good news. Okay, so now we're getting into the nitty-gritty. It's day one and it's voiceover time. This is the before of my backyard. I'm ready to transform it. It really needs a makeover. Today packages are here, so it's time to put some stuff together. I need to get my drill. I have this really cute pink drill, guys. I'm just a girl, okay? She is literally adorable. I've only used her once, but hey. Like I said, we have some really nice packages here. One is from Cost Zone. That is going to be the patio furniture that we're going to be putting together. The box is mad heavy. I don't know why I didn't get my little brother to help me get it off the counter. I thought I was He-Man for some reason, but we got it down. And I say we because my dog keeps checking up on me like he's my manager or something. I thought both of those boxes were the patio furniture, but all that patio furniture came in one box, this little baby box. I was kind of skeptical about that because it's one box, but when I put it together, it was really nice quality and it sits the perfect amount of people that we needed to add to the backyard. So those pictures that I showed you of our backyard plan did not work out. I ended up going a different route. This set came with 2 chairs, 1 table, and 1 love seat. So because of that, I decided to go ahead and keep the table that we had in the backyard and refurbish it. And like I said, just put it back where it is. It's in pretty good condition and it was given to us by our next door neighbor when they moved out. So technically that still makes all the patio furniture free. Like I said before, that patio set that I just put together came from Cost Zone. It's either Cost Zone or Costway, but they both exist. Don't worry, everything will be linked in the description because I clearly don't know what I'm talking about. So right now I'm just wiping off these tables. They were so dusty, like they had pollen all over them. I mean, what do you expect? They've been outside, they've been unused for a while. So did you guys know that you can DoorDash Lowe's? Like at least you can in my area. I needed some spray paint for the table, a watering hose, like a hose adapter thingy, and a rake to try to like fix that hay in the backyard. So our friends at Lowe's brought that over. This is the differences between the chairs. It was like this black color, but it was like rusting. It just wasn't giving. So I'm spray painting it this choco, how you say it? Cocoa brown color. Don't worry, it's gonna be linked as well because I don't know what I'm talking about at this point. I am so tired. The spray painting really wasn't that bad. It didn't take too long. I was able to spray paint each piece of furniture in that day. So I did 4 chairs and 1 table, and like I said, it wasn't bad at all.
Hey, 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 hey
ignore air conditioning, but we started putting together the gazebo right now. Me and my mom are working on it, and it's fairly easy. I'm out here doing it in my pajamas, so if I can do it, you can do it. This is a Sunjoy soft top gazebo. It'll be linked in the video as well. I actually got it off a TikTok shop, but I'm sure it's available on Amazon. I'll find it, and I got it for $100. It's a 10 by 10. So let me finish putting together and I'll show you guys what it's looking like. So I'm not going to show you the gazebo until the end of the video. I thought I was going to show it in the next clip, but I forgot to film. So yeah, this is my favorite place to go to, and I'm not ashamed to admit it. Ollie's. Honey, look at the sign. Good stuff for cheap. I'm here for it. Each season they have some really good stuff in here on sale. We were looking for some pillows for the chair cushions, but we couldn't find any to match the rug that I bought prior to coming here. But we did find all these really good items that we did purchase, except for those brown pots. I ended up putting those back, and yeah, we also got 3 pillows that weren't in that basket at the time for those patio pieces that we put together. It's officially day 3, and this is the final day. We have Amazon packages we need to go through. We have a pack of light bulbs that I got for this pendant light we're gonna hang. This is the extension cord for said pendant light. This is a table runner that I'm gonna put on that table that we spray painted. This is the pendant light. She's gonna be really easy to put together. It's just like screwing glass on with the light bulb and stuff. Really cute, really simple, really inexpensive. I had to get some zip ties to secure that cable that comes from that pendant. I don't want it just hanging there. And then this is a little metal table that we have to put together really quick. The assembly is pretty simple. You just have to screw those legs into the back of the table. As you can see from the picture, it's not complex. And then you just put the little feet on there and the table is done. I have the same table in wood, like a wooden white one, in my bedroom. I love her. So inexpensive, so cute. The height is perfect for what I'm going for in the backyard. I think I do want to get another one, but we'll talk about that later on, okay? So I had this old bamboo shelf. I decided to bring it outside and put a lamp on it, and a plant lamp I got from Ollie's. It's like a little battery operated lantern. How cute is she? And these are the 3 pillows I was talking about that we got from Ollie's. They were $6 a piece. I mean, why not? This boho table runner from Amazon was a great idea. I knew the table needed a little bit more pizzazz, so a table runner and some I got like a potted plant from Ollie's. She's fake, of course, and I had this little gold lady in my room. She was just in a way, so I put her there. This is where that table is going for now, and then I put a lantern on top, but we're thinking about putting 2 in between those chairs. This is the plant I had in my room. I had to take it out because it was scaring me at night like a person. So now I needed my brother to come out and help me decide on the length for this pendant. I don't want it to like break anything or break itself. It swings in the wind, so he said to raise it up, and he was right. It's at the perfect height now to where it doesn't swing. Honey, it's a windy day right now and in this video, and it's not swinging. So in that last clip and this current clip, I just secured it to the poles with zip ties. I give the Holy Spirit credit for that idea because I don't know how I thought about that. I'm just a girl. I don't know about zip ties. Yay, we have light. And this is the finished product of the backyard transformation. I still need chair cushions, but we're gonna ignore that, okay, because it still looks really good. If you didn't see the rug, you see the rug now. It's gonna be also linked in my Amazon storefront because I did get it from Amazon. Look at me coming through with these action shots, okay? I'm trying to give y'all the angles, all right? I think we did a pretty good job, and I say we because my mother and my brother came out and helped me put some stuff together, but I think it came out really sticking good. And you can zip up the tent to where flies and mosquitoes don't bother you. In the next clip, I'll show you it at night. So beautiful. I love it so much. It is a vibe, y'all. The next time I see you, we should be talking about the party and actually putting together the things that we purchased to make it come to life.